Ito naman, pumunta naman ang trip tayo sa Monasterio de Tarlac. Mga boss, panoorin nyo to.
Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Isa sa pinakamagandang pasyalan sa buong mundo. Dito matatagpuan ng Cristo Redentor, ang malaking estatwa ni Cristo sa itaas ng bundok. Ngunit alam nyo ba na may lugar din dito sa San Jose, Tarlac, kung saan matatagpuan ang isang monasteryo na mayroong estatwa na halos kapareho nito. Ito ang Monasterio de Tarlac. Payapa, tahimik, at magandang tanawin. Taong 2002 nang maitayo ang monasteryo na pinangangalagaan ng Servants of the Risen Christ Monastic Community na pinangunahan ni Father Ronald Thomas o Archie Cortez. Ang monasteryo ay orihinal na itinayo upang magsilbing sanktuaryo para sa mga kasapi ng monastic community. Pero hindi nagtagal ay unti-unti nang dumami ang mga nagpupunta dito.
The intention of the prior, who is Father Archie Cortez, was to have a place for the monks of the Servants of the Risen Christ, wherein they could spend silence, solitude, prayer, and work as a monastic community. Then, when the relic arrived in 2007, doon na nagsimula yung mga pilgrims na nagpupunta up to present, and they are increasing, in fact, in number. No, padami sila ng padami.
Kung hanap nyo ay tunay na peace of mind, kaginhawaan ng kalooban, positibong pananaw, at mas malalim na pananalig sa Diyos, tamang-tama ang lugar na ito para makapagpahinga panandalian at magnilay-nilay.
We offer peace for those who come here because the place is a solemn place, a place of solace and solitude for those who are burdened, for those who are feeling distressed, and for those who are feeling that they are not loved by God. Because every time we see pilgrims coming to the monastery, we welcome them wholeheartedly, and because that is also the charism of the congregation to give hope to the hopeless, and that is why you can find on the altar, in our altar, the words Ave Crucis Spes Unica, which is translated as a Hail Holy Cross, our only hope. Because we are Easter people, we give hope to the hopeless, and that is the reason why Christ came into the world, to give hope and love to those who are hopeless and unloved by the society.
Bukod sa malaking estatwa ni Kristo at magandang tanawin, dinarayo din ito dahil sa The Relic of the True Cross of Christ. Isa itong bahagi ng krus kung saan pinaniniwalaang ipinako si Jesus. Taong 2007 nang ilipat ang pangangalaga nito sa monasteryo.
The good Monsignori offered taking care of the relic sa Philippines through Father Archie. And Father Archie said yes in taking good care of the relic. And in 2007, January 30, it arrived here at the Monasterio de Tarlac and formally enshrined by the Papal Nuncio, Fernando Filoni, together with the other archbishops, bishops, and priests from different dioceses and archdioceses of the Philippines.
Dito sa simbahan na ito matatagpuan ang nasabing relic. Nakatago ito sa loob ng isang arketa o ark na binubuksan lang 2 beses sa loob ng isang taon at yan ay sa tuwing sumasapit ang January 19 at September 14.
There are many pilgrims coming here at the monastery, especially during Lenten season, wherein people really travel and find time to visit the relic of the True Cross of Christ.
Ibang klase talaga ang experience na makukuha mo dito, kaya naman talagang dinarayo ito ng maraming tao, lalo na pagsapit ng Semana Santa.
We have issued, I think, 2 or 3 issues of magazine, which is entitled Lux Mundi, wherein you can find there some miracle stories attributed to the relic of the Holy Cross of Christ.
Ang monasteryo ay bukas para sa lahat. Matanda man o bata, mula sa nais magnilay-nilay, mamasyal, o gusto nyo lamang mag-picture-picture at ipromote ang turismo sa bansa, kagaya ng grupong We Are Fantastic Philippines na nakasama namin paakyat sa monasteryo. O ikaw, saan ang trip mo? Tara, trip tayo!